our jobs exist tomorrow? Will our companies exist tomorrow? Will all of it just be automated away? And frankly, as an entrepreneur, as an employee, as a student, it is a scary future when you look at it that way. But I'm here to tell you, don't worry, be happy if you look at AI through these three lenses, which I'll share with you. So there are three lenses that I talked to you about from the AI perspective, where I said, hey, it's all about adaptability, it's all about the changing structure, and it's all about appreciating that more leisure in our lives is not necessarily a bad thing. So when I come to it, what are the three tips that I think that we need to take forward when we look at AI as a whole? The very first thing is flexibility is the key. Because as more and more time goes forward, we will need to be more and more flexible to adapt to the changes that AI brings to our world. I think the second interesting tip that I'll say is from the decision-making aspect. What's going to happen in the future is you will have less and less autonomy because the AI systems will recommend more and more. So what I say is learn the macro decision-making, combine it with healthy skepticism so that you make decisions which are not all algorithmic, but which are actually controlled by you. The final piece is responsible leisure. As your leisure periods increase, as a human race, our time spent doing not productive work, but just enjoying ourselves or being creative increases, it's up to us to enjoy that leisure, but be responsible while enjoying it. Lesser screen time, lesser gaming, more integration with nature and just the overall environment is something that I feel is going to be important in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what AI is going to enable. It's not going to take away jobs. It's going to enable human beings to move from pencil pushing, to move from day-to-day normal tasks to higher level tasks, to tasks which we enjoy, to more analytical tasks. And that's going to be a really interesting future.